nakakatawa yung love, tsaka yung excitement pag pinagsama talagang kakaiba. Tama mo ba? Ano yung mga first time? Gusto nyo mga first kiss? Mga first dance? Mga first memorable song of your relationship? It's definitely different and very, very memorable. Nakakakilig. Guys, ako kinikilig ako dito sa bagong product natin because it really touches my heart. Because may kinalaman ito sa pambata. Excited ka na ba? Guys, ladies and gentlemen, Aim Global is launching today the baby version of our flagship product. Let's all give it up for a very warm applause for Kiki 24/7 Look for Baby! reason why we are so excited when I have this. Hello? Do you feel good? Yes, siyempre siya ang ating mascot. Guys, Kiwi 24/7 Gamis is here to rock the Philippines and the MLM industry here in our country. We have sold millions and millions of blister packs of C24/7. The adult version, I'm sure we're gonna sell millions of Kiwi 24/7 pouches. And if it finally happens, guys, millions of points at mga direct referral bonus at mga retail profit ang kikitain natin. Maganda o napakaganda? Gusto nyo ba kinabigyan natin ito sa registration global map? Wala kami points. Guys, to give you an idea, ano ba ang naman? How does it benefit each and every child? By the way, before I proceed, I'd like to thank the children who danced here a while ago. Sila po ay miyembro, palakpakan natin sila. Basically, there are members of a certain foundation. Sila ang Quezon City Performing Arts. Sila po ay mga street kids. So, kesa kumangay ng mga ordinary bata na professional dancers, we took this opportunity to help the street kids and adopt through this particular foundation, Quezon City Performing Arts. Sila mismo yung tumutulong sa mga batang yun, basically para mawala sila sa lansangan, makaiwas sa drugs, makaiwas sa mga sindikato, at least natuwa sila magsayaw, at hinahay natin sila para makatulong. Makagabi ba yun? Charitable art ng company, which is the Alive Foundation, meron tayong sector na pambata. Okay o okay na okay? Let's proceed with our slide. Kids today, 2013, basically they stay up late at night. Gabi na kung matulog, ayaw matulog ng aga. Nangyayari ba sa mga anak niyo? Whereas they usually skip breakfast. Ayaw mag-alusan. Di ba? What else? They hate fruits and vegetables. Bihira kung makakita ng bata na mahilig sa prutas at gulay. Tama o tama? They hate the taste of fruits and vegetables. Usually they love sweet, yung mga candies, yung mga junk food. They're exposed to free radicals. Pollution, secondhand smoking, radiation sa computer, sa gadgets, sa kung ano yung mga Android tablets. Ma-expose sila early on their life. And what happens is that the effects of this, some to other kids, the effects are obesity. Akala lang ba pag mataba ang bata, healthy? Malnutrition din po, hindi lahat ng mataba healthy. In fact, karamihan sa mataba, unhealthy.